Welcome to this screencast. We're doing the bubble sort for GCSE computer science. The bubble sort, we're going to keep iterating through the list, swapping two elements if they are in the wrong order. And we've got a stopping condition, which is being able to iterate through the whole list without doing any swap. So let's get started with this list of numbers. 2 and 5. So I'm starting with this first pair, 2 and 5. They're in the right order, no need to swap them. 5 and 16 are in the right order, no need to swap them, but 16 and 1, there needs to be a swap here. So whenever I do a swap, I write it in red. 16 and 8, I also need to swap those two numbers. So 16 is here, 16 and 15, that needs swapping again. But 16 and 22 do not need swapping. So the first iteration of my list, you can see in red all the swaps that I had to do. Next, 2 and 5, no swap, but 5 and 1, there's another swap. Our first one, the second time. So 5 is here now. And I'm comparing 5 and 8, no swap. 8 and 15, no swap. 15 and 16, no swap. 16 and 22, no swap. Next, I start with 2 and 1, and they're in the wrong order, so I'm going to swap them again, and I put them in red every time I do a swap. 2 and 5 is the correct order. 5 and 8, 8 and 15, 15, 16, 16, 22. Now, so far, we have had to do a swap every time we've iterated, so the algorithm has got to keep going. And I'm back with a blue pen. I compare 1 and 2, they're in the correct order. 2 and 5 are in the correct order. 5 and 8, correct order. 8 and 15, 15 and 16, 16 and 22. Now you can see there is no red this time. So this is the stopping condition for this algorithm. We've been able to iterate through the whole list without doing any swap. So the algorithm knows that the list is now sorted. Thank you for listening to this screencast. We'll practice that in the lessons.